Hello dear students. What are the qualities you require to attain success in life? Yes, hard work, dedication, honesty. So these are the qualities. This story, अपना स्थान स्वयं बनाएं, inspires us to work hard and if you work hard, you will really have success in your life. So let us go through the mind map and then we will go through the lesson in short. अपना स्थान स्वयं बनाएं. Build your own position or place in life. So this is a story about a young man who started as a peon. एक चपरासी के तौर पे उसने शुरुआत की, लेकिन उसका अंत कहाँ हुआ? एक प्रधानमंत्री के पोजीशन में. That was his place. He created from peon to प्रधानमंत्री. So बादशाह, king, युवक is that young man, chaprasi, peon. So he started from peon and he ended up being a prime minister. Okay, so here goes the story. A king, he wanted a worker for himself. So he ordered his मंत्री, his minister को बोला कि मुझे एक अच्छे आदमी की ज़रूरत है. The story goes like this. A king needed a good worker for himself. So he asked his minister to find a worker, a good worker for him. So the minister obeyed and started searching for a good person as a निजी सहायक, personal assistant for the king. So after many days, the mantri, the minister, came back with this young man. He found this young man and he said, King, here is that young man which you wanted. So the king couldn't remember. The emperor had forgotten why he needed a worker. So the emperor said, right now I don't need any personal assistant. मुझे किसी निजी सहायक की ज़रूरत नहीं है. लेकिन इतना आप कह रहे हो तो मैं इसे चपरासी के रूप में रख लेता हूँ. So he said, but I don't need any personal assistant right now. But since you are saying so much, I can keep him as a peon in my office, in my personal office. The young man was happy that he was able to work for the king, but the minister was sad because he had made this young man lose his very good job and he had brought him to the king and assuring him of great progress. But the young man was very happy. What did he do? He changed the look of that office by working hard with sincerity and dedication. Even though it was in a very bad condition, he changed the look of that office. He gave the office a royal look. When the other ministers backbited about him to the king, तो दूसरे मंत्रियों को ये बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया. उन्होंने राजा से इस युवक की चुगलियाँ की, backbited. So the king, he thought, I'll only go by myself and check the condition of the office to find out if the mantri, if they are telling, is it really the truth? The emperor was surprised to see the changed condition there. Impressed by the dedication and sincerity of the young man, he made him the finance minister of his state. राजा ने इस युवा को अपने राज्य का वित्त मंत्री बनाया. But the other ministers were very unhappy with this young man becoming the vitt mantri, the finance minister. They kept on backbiting to the king about this young man whenever they got the opportunity. So time passed by and one day what happened? The king suddenly, he told, call all my ministers. He commanded his senapati, the commander. He gave him an order, go and bring my ministers in whatever condition they are. Bring them as they are. If they are sleeping, bring them with the bed. and if they are doing anything else or playing games or sitting on the carpet, तो आप उन्हें उस कालीन के साथ ही लेकर आएं, ऐसा राजा ने आदेश दिया. So the ministers were all brought at night 2 o'clock. So they were brought to the king in whatever condition they were in. It was learned that most of the ministers, that means 7 out of 8 ministers were drunk and many were gambling. They were found gambling. वो गलत काम करने में पकड़ाए गए. But the finance minister was busy in checking the taxes. So the emperor was very pleased with his conscientiousness. वित्त मंत्री ने पाया कि एक पैसा कम है, सो उसी के तलाश में वे फिर से जोड़ रहे थे, हिसाब लगा रहे थे, ये देख रहे थे कि कहीं उनसे भूल हुई है कि जोड़ में कोई भूल हुई है. सो द किंग वॉज सो हैप्पी विद द फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर दैट ही वॉज मेड द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ हिज स्टेट. तो उन्हें प्रधानमंत्री बनाया गया. सो व्हाट डिड वी लर्न चिल्ड्रन? दैट विथ हार्ड वर्क, मेहनत, डेडिकेशन, लगन, कर्तव्य निष्ठा, कॉन्शियसनेस से आप भी उन्नति को प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. इवन यू कैन अटेन सक्सेस. सो थैंक यू एंड टेक केयर.